Hi, cutie. What are you doing this morning? Today's December 18th, 2012. My sweet little girl will be 4 months old in 4 days. 4 whole months old. And she's super excited to be awake early this morning. Yes, you are. You're so excited. Where's your toy? Here. Can you get it? She's trying. You're so close. Get your hands together. Uh-oh, almost. You got it! Kind of. Here, let's try that. It's a little less wiggly. There you go. Are you excited? You're just happy, aren't you? You're a happy girl. Happy girl. Oh, somebody's getting tired. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you gonna give me one that smile?